Imagine this. A customer places an order, sales writes it down on a piece of paper, inventory has no clue. Accounting finds out 2 weeks later when the customer complains and threatens a lawsuit. No system, no coordination, no accountability. Sadly, that's how many businesses operate until it's too late. Welcome to Project Accounting, where we help you decode complex accounting topics one concept at a time. In today's video, we're kicking off our series on information systems and controls, and we're starting right where it all begins. What is a system and why you should care? Let's start simple. A system is a collection of methods, routines, or processes that work together to accomplish a goal. Picture a university. The whole school is a system, but inside it you've got subsystems. Colleges, departments, student services, even the cafeteria. Now think of a business. The marketing team promotes products, sales brings in customers, accounting records every peso, and operations fulfills the promise. All these are subsystems, and they need to work together or everything falls apart. Here's the problem. Sometimes subsystems have different goals. This is called goal conflict. For example, sales wants to give discounts to hit their quota, but accounting knows those discounts might kill the profit margin. When each team pulls in different directions, you waste time, money, and energy. Now, contrast that with goal congruence, when subsystems work toward the same objective. Like this, marketing promotes what inventory actually has, sales sells what is profitable, accounting provides real-time data to guide decisions. That harmony, it is only possible with the right systems. Now, let's talk about what systems handle. Data. Data is the raw facts, like sale date, item sold, quantity, peso amount. But data is not enough. It becomes information when it is organized, processed, and made meaningful, helping people make decisions. For example, three pieces of data: 2,000 sale, 5 units sold, product, LED lamp. Turn it into information. We sold 5 LED lamps at 400 peso each, all within 30 minutes of listing. Boom, that is insight. But not all information is useful. Let's say someone dumps 10,000 lines of sales data on your desk. Are you supposed to scroll through all of it? That is information overload, and it is real. So, what makes information actually useful? Here are a few of the 14 characteristics. Relevant, it helps you make decisions. Timely, you get it before it is too late. Accurate, no errors. Understandable, even a non accountant can get the point. Accessible, you can get it when you need it. And thanks to technology like XBRL, a machine readable format for financial reports, information is easier to analyze, compare, and use across platforms. At the heart of accounting information system is this principle: value of information, benefit less cost. If the insight helps a business avoid a bad decision or seize an opportunity, it is valuable. But if it costs too much to generate and nobody uses it, that is a loss. Here's a powerful case. When 7-Eleven expanded to Japan, their local partner invested heavily in accounting information systems. Every store tracked the weather, time of day, and customer habits. Sandwiches and rice meals automatically ordered 3 times a day. Suppliers could see demand data and adjust their deliveries. Result: higher sales, fresh inventory, fewer deliveries, and better margins. Meanwhile, 7-Eleven in the US did not modernize. They ignored systems, and profits dropped. Eventually, 7-Eleven Japan bought out their US counterpart. An information system is the brain of the business. It is a combination of people, technology, and procedures that collect data, record transactions, store it safely, process it into usable reports, and deliver insights to help managers make better decisions. Information system does not just track money. It helps businesses adapt, compete, and survive. So next time you think accounting is just about debits and credits, remember the system is what makes everything possible. In our next episode, We'll explore how information system meets the information needs of a business, especially in a fast-paced, tech-driven world. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and follow Project Accounting, your go-to for Sepali 2028 and beyond.